Plus from Tablet Health. I'm really excited to start this, so let's go ahead and get into it. I've had this in the fridge for the past couple of days, and I'm just now getting to open it. Okay, so package, you can see the actual medication. We have the sanitation wipes for the injection site. These are the syringes and needles. More syringes. Here, I'm supposed to inject 50 units, so that's 50 milligrams subcutaneously, so in fat, I'll probably do it in my abdomen here. Wonder what kind of discomfort I should be expecting. NAD+ is a coenzyme found in all living cells. It plays a key role in cellular metabolism, mitochondrial function, and energy production. It is essential for DNA repair, gene expression, and maintaining the health of neurons. NAD+. Okay, so you can see I have 50 units. I'm so nervous. So weird. Okay.